Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we're going to plan out the week of July 10th. I'll show you how last week turned out. I did go ahead and go back and fill out some things that I did throughout the day. You know, our meal plan, my steps, my exercise, some of my to-do list, and then just some to-do list each day. And I like that it looks more filled up, so I really like how it's turning out. It's actually Friday right now. I'm gonna get this plan with me going because we're gonna be pretty busy Saturday and Sunday. I did go ahead and put my plan with me over here, but I don't know. I mean, I'm gonna have to edit it and stuff, so maybe it'll go up then, but we will go ahead and focus on this week. So the kit I'm using is from Sara Marie Stickers. So I have the date dots here, the sampler page, and then the full boxes. I didn't go all out because her sheets are a little bit more expensive and you just don't get a lot. So I am just going to stick with these 3 sheets for this week. I am going to pull in this pink washi that I have. I have no idea where I got it, probably Hobby Lobby years ago. I'm hoping it still has some stick to it. But that's all we're gonna do. So we're gonna go ahead and just kind of work through it. So I don't have my white out, so I am gonna have to keep the date headers up top. So I'll probably have to go in with 2 rows of this pink. Hopefully, like I said, it works okay. Hopefully it sticks, but we're just gonna figure it out. Now obviously you're gonna see the lines through here, but that's okay with me. We'll just do one there, and then we'll do another one, and hopefully the date headers will cover up that last little bit up top. So we're gonna go here, and then I will just stick this on the top like so. You can still kind of see behind it. I need to get some white out. It needs to happen, but for right now, it's fine. I'm not too worried about it. It's been a pretty busy week this week. I started my dance classes at a different spot. Those have been doing really good. I did go ahead and push back my interview for this new job. So I was going to take CNA classes, and then if you pass, they just hire you for this building. And the class was going to take 3 weeks, and then you know, you get hired, but the training for it was 9 to 5. You had to be there every day for the 3 weeks. And I have a concert coming up, I have a vacation coming up, and then my mom had another stroke, so she would have been my babysitter for my kids when my husband isn't home. So I just thought pushing it back right now would be the best thing. I have plenty of money coming in, so that's not an issue. We will just work through it until I can get in there. And I also think that it would just be better when the kids are in school to not have to worry about finding a sitter. So it will all work out. I'm gonna put this washi down here at the bottom. I do miss the thick washi that I had in my vertical when I did plan with me's. In my vertical, hang on 1 second, because I did find my tweezers, so that's one thing I found. Let's see if I can, there we go, make that work. And then for the sidebar over here, I'm going to use this full box that says Poolside Vibes. My last day at the Y is Wednesday, so I do plan on having some pool time with the kids. My aunt has a in-ground pool with like a diving board and seats with jacuzzi, so it's always a fun time. And then for my meal tracker, I did go ahead and pull off this sheet. It doesn't really match, but it matches enough. And then for the thin washi, let's just go ahead and use this pink again. I really liked how the sidebar ended up last week. I'm gonna try to recreate it like so. And then we'll put this in here for my meals. And yes, you can see the lines through it, but that is okay with me. And then I do have a meals script from Simoly Smith Stickers. Put that in there, and then I thought I could use this box. Hopefully it fits. And I did go ahead and put some of the dots from the sampler page on it, and that's just going to be my little to-do list. And of course it's not. So let's see if I can move this down a little bit. I might have to get a new piece. That might be a good one. What the heck? Are her boxes bigger or what? Or did I just not? Trial and error, guys. Maybe I went from here. This is probably gonna lose all of its stick. This box here is from Planner Kate, which is also repositionable. So we're just gonna move this all the way down, I guess. And one more time. Okay, that works a little better. I would like to put one more strip of washi up there, but her boxes must be a little bit longer or something. And then of course down here is going to be my steps and my exercise, like so. And then she does have a to-do script, so I'm just going to stick that right at the top. Good thing it's small. And that will be all that's there. All right, let's go ahead and move into Monday. So my husband is off here. Again, I'm not gonna put in the full boxes until the end because I don't know what all I am doing. I am starting my new dance schedule, so I will have, let's see, should I put a little dot by it or something? Last week I did these little hearts and they were super cute, but obviously it's from a different shop. So let's just go ahead and put this here. Maybe I will separate this one washi, but I have 6 classes, so I don't even think that's going to be enough. Do I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I can use this. Hang on, I should have planned better. Let's see. Put this down here, try to center it. And then right there. That'll be fine. And then I do have dance again at 4:30. So that will work. Monday I am off at the Y. And then I do have my private pay client. So I will put that down here. Tuesday my husband works. We'll put that up here. And then let's see, I do go to work at 8, so I'll put that in here. And then I have my last class at the YMCA, and that'll be at 9. I think I might need one more of these, but it's okay because I didn't factor in the Y's one. And then I'm going to use one of these pink boxes like so up here because on the 11th I do have a birthday and I do have some stickers and then a birthday script. Put that in there. Some balloon stickers. Perfect. And then I have dance at 4:30. This is the time frame that worked for me right now. I will be doing a hour switch once I get going, but for now that's what it's gonna be. And then private pay is all I need to do. And when I went last night, he had a slight fever, so I wonder if he ended up going to the hospital or anything. He is prone to like UTIs and kidney infections, so he's just gotta be very careful. And then on Wednesday, work. And then I have the wellness center. This will be my last day. And I might put little dots there. And then at 2, we have the the library's petting zoo. So put that in there. And then dance at 4:30. And then private pay, like so. That is good. Let me see. So this week is going to be a, what did I say? Petting zoo. My ink is running out of these pens, so it's kind of jumpy. I need to order more. But that is going to be for the first half of this week. And then I'll go ahead and flip it. Thursday, cruise is off. And then I might do some hours with my private pay for that day, just depends. I do have dance at 4:30. There we go. And then I do have a front desk meeting at 6. So I'm going to use this pink. Just cover up here. And then I do have a meeting script. And then private pay. And then on Friday, he will be off. And then, let's see, I do have another dance there, but I didn't pull a script because I didn't account for the what. Let's just switch this because it's while I'm working, so it's fine. What did I say? Friday at 9. Do that. And again, since I'm not working the wellness center anymore, I may do a couple hours with my private pay client, and then I do close at the front desk on Friday. Let's go ahead and use this here. It's around 5:45, so I will put this in here. 5:45 to 9. I do have a script for that, like so. And then another doodle girl, she's my favorite. Put that in there. And then I'll have my private pay client after that. And then on Saturday, just zipping right through this, he will work. I will probably go to cardio drumming. So I'm going to use one of these, and that starts at 8. Put this in there. I need to get a script that says that. Cardio drumming. And then private pay. So we will probably go swimming Saturday after that. And then Sunday he works as well. And then just my private pay. So I'm going to assume either Saturday or Sunday we will go to the pool. So I can, maybe we'll go Sunday so we can go all day. And I have to put down my payday is on Friday from him, and that's crooked. Let's go right there. That'll work. All right, let's see about these full boxes. Let's do the cup here. Let's do here. And do this one. Maybe I'll go up a little bit and then go up a little bit more. Just trying something new. And then some sandals. Super cute. I haven't ordered from her in a while, so it's nice to see a different kit. But like I said, hers are just more expensive, and you get way more when you just purchase the kit from Simoly Smith Stickers. And then we will go around here like so, and then bring it back down. The little bag says woke up like this. That's cute. Let's do one at the 10. We'll do 10:30-ish like so. And then we will do this one down here a little bit further down. And then I am just going to use this full box, and then I'll put it up a little higher because we'll probably sleep in a little bit that day. And then I do have a pool day script, and then a little doodle girl from Simoly Smith Stickers. Cute. Okay, so like I said, I will probably work a couple hours up here, but I don't know for sure yet. But that's it for this plan with me, except I do have this washi here. I'm going to run along the top, make sure the shorts are on the right way to put the weekend banner. I used to do this all the time, just so you can kind of makes it pop a little bit. There, and then she does have a little weekend banner. She must have changed. I remember it being really small, like the cursive, the last time I ordered, and I wasn't too fond of that because it was really hard to get off of there. So I'm glad she changed it up a little bit. And then let's go ahead and put this pink here just to cover that up. Pink here. Perfect. I like it. I like it a lot. Now she has garbage day. We do need to do that on Monday, so we'll use this little pink one. And that has to be out super early. Usually we take it out the night before, but just in case we don't, we'll put that in there. Cleaning day. Oh, there's a happy birthday sticker. Dang it. Oh well. Laundry, I'll put that in later. Oh, there's little stars too. Let's do the stars. I love stars. I have a couple star tattoos on me. Let's do that. Much better. Take these dots off. Well, those are definitely new. I haven't seen those in her kit. It might just be with this collection, but super cute. All right, so I do have some stickers to get me through and fill in the rest of the week. So when I come back next week, I will show you how it all laid out and what it ended up looking like. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.